Fish lovers, where are you? Let's prepare a simple meal of wet fried fish served with green veggies and brown ugali. Let's start together. On a medium heat, take a clean pot, add some oil, add your diced onion, sauté. Once they brown, pour in your tomatoes. Add some salt to soften the tomatoes. Mix well to combine. Once they soften, go in with your green pepper, diced green pepper. Mix well to combine. Then add your seasoning like Royco cube or Royco or whatever you want. Then after that, pour in 1 cup of water. After that, stir well. Then go in with your sliced parts of fish. Then coat it well to ensure it's all wet. Cover it, let it simmer for about 15 minutes on low heat. And there comes our fish. It's ready to be served, guys. As you can see, the soup is not that very thick, but a healthy body starts with what you put on your plate. Today's meal is a perfect example of balanced nutrition. The fish provides high-quality protein to build and repair tissues along with omega fatty acids that support heart and brain health. It also provides important nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin B12, iodine, and selenium, which help strengthen your immune system, support healthy bones, and keep your body functioning properly. So including fish in your meal is healthy. The greens are packed with iron, fiber, and vitamins. Clean plate serve your ugali that provides carbohydrates that your body needs for lasting energy. Put it aside, guys. Take a clean plate, add your green veggies, which has vitamins, fiber, and iron to help strengthen and support your blood and improve your digestion. Add your fish, which has the omega-3 fatty acids, which is very healthy to our bodies. So guys, together this food create a wholesome, satisfying meal that nourishes your body naturally. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. It begins with simple, fresh ingredients prepared with love. Feed your body well today and it will thank you tomorrow. So guys, slice your ugali. As you can see, who had to slice it? Because we slice it in that if we were not to eat all the pieces, at least some pieces will be left untouched. I also had to taste it before I could serve it. And guys, this meal was so yummy. I really enjoyed it. I hope you will try this recipe. It's not hard, it's very easy, and it's a family meal that is suitable for both kids and adults. Ooh, you see how good it looks, guys. Bye and see you in our next